Hello everybody. Today we can see about Snibe MAGLUMI IgE CLIA Immunoglobulin E level chemiluminescence immunoassay method. Here we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. Here we can see the MAGLUMI IgE CLIA Immunoglobulin E levels chemiluminescence immunoassay method. Here we can see the contents of this kit: 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 6.5 ml buffer, 7.5 ml ABI label, 25.0 ml diluent, 1 ml control 1, 1 ml control 2. Here we can see the reference number 1302580001M, then lot number, then expiry date. Here we can see the pictorial representation of this kit. This represents one instructions manual inside this kit. We can store this product away from direct sunlight. This kit is maintained 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I'm using ice to maintain this product, to maintain the temperature of this product. We can use this kit up to 100 tests. This is C certificate IVD product. Here we can see the manufacturing details of this product. This is a front view of this product. This is a top view, and I'm showing the other sides. In this side we can see the product name MAGLUMI IgE Immunoglobulin E level, then reference number 1302580001M, then lot number, then expiry date. The other side of this product we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. The other side we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. This is a total reference of this product. Now I'm going to unbox this product for your reference. The first product is one instruction manual. We can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics MAGLUMI IgE CLIA immunoglobulin levels in CLIA method. Here we can see C certificate product reference number for this product under test 1302580001M under test. Here we can see the intended use, summary, test principle, reagents, warning and precautions, and lot of stuffs in this instruction manual. We can keep this aside. The second product is a reagent seal sticker, MAGLUMI. I will keep this aside. The third one, a QA certificate for this product is there. We can see the certificate. I will keep this aside. The fourth product is IgE control stickers, total 8 stickers. The first 4 is IgE control 1, then the second 4 is IgE control 2, total 8 number of stickers. I will keep this aside. The next product is MAGLUMI controls. I am unpack this for your reference. This is controls for IgE CLIA immunoglobulin E levels chemiluminescence immunoassay method. This is a control 1. Here we can see the lot numbers and expiry date. Then we can store these controls 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. Total 1 ml. This is control 1. I will keep this aside. This is control 2. MAGLUMI IgE CLIA control 2. We can store this control 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. This is a lot number and the expiry date. This control solution is 1 ml. I will keep this aside. The next one is MAGLUMI immunoglobulin E level CLIA method. This reagent kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 6.5 ml buffer, 7.5 ml ABI label, 25 ml diluent. We can away this kit from direct sunlight. We maintain this temperature 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. We can then understand using this kit. This is a lot number and expiry date number. This is C certificate IVR product. I will keep this aside. Here we go for summarize. This is a Snibe MAGLUMI IgE CLIA method. Immunoglobulin E level in chemiluminescence immunoassay method. This kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic beads, 1 ml control calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 6.5 ml buffer, 7.5 ml ABI level, 25 ml diluent, 1 ml control 1, 1 ml control 2. This kit contains one instruction manual, MAGLUMI reagent seal, and IgE control stickers. For control 1 4 stickers and control 2 4 stickers. A QC certificate provided by Snibe Diagnostics. 2 controls, control 1 and control 2, and 1 reagent kit. Thank you.